Hey, welcome back to Tomahawk Fishing. This might be one of my favorite episodes yet. We're at one of my favorite places, the river, where we're gonna be fishing for catfish, gaspergoo, bluegill, and anything else that we can possibly catch. Thanks for joining. Wow, look at that river. Look at the deer track. This looks like a good spot. How about we take a cast here? Go ahead and put the worm on. All right, first cast. Let's see what we get. Let's try and cast a little bit farther over there. I think there's gonna be some fish because of the debris. We'll actually open the bail up a little bit and let the river take it down farther. Man, what is that? This river has a very strong current. We're gonna have to put some more weights on here. All right, let's try that. The harder a place is to get to, typically the better fishing. So let's try this out. All the way over here. With all that brush in the water right there, I think we might get something. Hey, there's a bite right there. That was a good bite. There's a bite. Oh yeah, we're getting some bites. Let's adjust that worm. See what we can get. Another little bite. Man, that was a fight. We got the stick though. Goodness sakes, look at that catch. That was a nice stick, huh? Let's cast it right in that little eddy right there. Ooh, they're eating that worm up. It's starting to rain a little bit. Maybe that'll help pick up. There's a bite. There we go. Ah. Hey, oh no! It was a baby catfish and now he's off. Thank you, Lord. There we go. Hey, there's a fish. We got a fish on. Hey, yeah. There we go. Hey, it's a little channel cat. It's a baby channel cat. How exciting is that? Look at that little guy. Look at little freckles on the side of him. Fighting. All right, Bubba, you're upside down. See you later. Oh yeah, they're starting to bite now. Oh yeah, this is that time. It's feeding time now. The bites are starting to pick up. We got a nice little baby catfish. I think we're ready to go. Let's go ahead and give it a cast. There we go, there's another bite. We're gonna move it on over this way because we let the line out and that's where the catfish was. There's a bite right there. Ooh, that was a big bite. There we go. There's another one. Yes. Look at that. Hey, another nice little guy. Little channel cat. How you doing, channel? You doing all right? Let's get that hook off of you. Listen to him talking. Listen to him talk. See you later, buddy. Tell your friends. Oh yeah, our bites are starting to come up. We're gonna start catching some more. It's feeding time. Go ahead and give it another good cast and let that line run out. They're all the way down there. Let out a little bit more. There's the bite right there. Hey, we got one. Oh wow, that's way bigger. Oh no! That was a huge one we just missed. That's okay, because now we know where they are. Oh man! He took all our bait. All right, this will be our final cast. We're gonna cast it really far, all the way down there, and let the line out really far. We're gonna see what we're gonna get. Well, we caught two little catfish, two little channel cats, and we're gonna go ahead and pack it up and call it a day. Thanks for watching. Have a great day.